Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong has signed an ordinance banning the sale of wet wipes in their city. The ordinance penned by Vice Mayor Faustino Olowan cited the warning of EcoWaste Coalition on the presence of harmful chemical compounds. Which may trigger skin allergies and may cause contact dermatitis. The group mentioned 6 products. Erring individuals and establishments will be fined.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.